threading the machine. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin with the thread coming off from under the spool. Attach the spool holder and press it firmly against the spool of thread. Hold the thread with both hands and firmly pull the thread into the guide slot until the thread snaps into the guide slot. Hold the thread with both hands and pass the thread into the guide slot. Still holding the thread with your hand, draw the thread firmly around the corner and toward you along the channel. Pull the thread up around the thread guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide from the right and draw it to the left firmly. While holding the thread near the spool with your hand, pull the thread up to the left, over the needle threader guide. Be sure that the thread passes through the slit of the needle threader. Cut the thread with the thread cutter. Pull down the needle threader lever as far as it will go. Slowly release the needle threader lever to its original position to pass the thread through the needle eye. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.